if you don't have enough amino acids, enough proteins, all that slows down and you start to lose it. So now if the gut turns over every 8 to 10 days, or the wound takes 3 weeks to heal instead of 1 week to heal, these all have a big impact. And the bones turn over, all these tissues turn over.
Right.
And if you don't remake the proteins, you lose it.
Right.
And so people get frail, and frailty is a huge risk factor.
Right.
All the neurotransmitter system is
Protein-based.
based on amino acids.
Yeah.
And so we do amino acid panels on everyone that comes in the clinic.
Right.
And 80 to 90% of people have massive deficiencies in their serum amino acids. They aren't getting what they need. And so then their bodies don't function right.
Yeah, you know, in our practice, I find that the people that are sort of, I don't want to label it, but kind of like been living an unhealthy lifestyle for a longer period of time than most.
Yeah.
I mean, the reaction is, 3 weeks in, you make the 3-week phone call and it's like, oh my God, I feel so much better.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a combination of things, right? But we always call it the Robin to the Batman to what we do, right?